Hello everyone, welcome to Parenting with Dr. Kruti.
Brainteasers for kids. The more there is, the less you see. What is it? Fog. What can be seen once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? The letter M. If tomorrow I said the day before yesterday was Saturday, which day is today? Sunday. What is the end of everything? The letter G. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me. What am I? Your shadow. A taxi driver is going down a one-way street the wrong way and passes at least 10 cops. Why is he not caught? He was walking and not driving. No matter how little or how much you use me, you change me every month. What am I? A calendar. What fruit can you never cheer up? A blueberry. Why did the math textbook feel sad? It was full of problems. What is a tortilla chip's favorite dance? Salsa.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो उसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।